Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a wallet on Ton Wallet application. First of all, find and open Ton Wallet application on your device. Here you can see two options: create a new wallet or import existing wallet. If you have already made a wallet, you can click on import existing wallet from here. Now, if you want to create a new wallet, click on create new wallet button. Now, you need to make a passcode. After that, re-enter your passcode. You can enable or disable notifications from here. Now, as you can see that you have already created a wallet on Ton Wallet application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.